I'm here going to show you how to prepare a chicken sandwich. Okay. First,
Look at
napkin. Oh, look at that. It looks like a boob. The butter looks like a boob.
it. Looks like the Pillsbury Doughboy. I don't know why.
I don't know either. All right, here we go again. You get your
What's
chicken.
in here? What is this?
Nice juicy drumstick. Look at that. And you put it right there. That's potatoes. And then you cover it like that.
Where they cooked? They look cooked.
Then you got your sandwich.
¿Ese cuello de Walmart?
Publix. No, the Walmart. Oh, the potatoes are done.
So good. Okay, that's all. Now you got yourself a chicken sandwich.